Welcome to the picoTera RSM tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the device, how to connect it, and how to start using TeraNet. Let's begin with the device overview. On the right side of the RSM is the power button. Just below that is the USB-C charging port. On the left side, the orange button is the push-to-talk or PTT button. Below the PTT button are the volume up and volume down buttons. On the top left, you'll find the SOS button. Pressing it once will check in when a lone worker alert is received. Pressing and holding the button for 2 seconds will trigger an emergency call. On the top right is the group announcement and group switch button. Press it once to hear your current group. The device will then enter group switch mode for 30 seconds. During this time, you can use the volume buttons to move to the next or previous group. Group switch mode ends automatically after 30 seconds, or immediately if you press the PTT button. Between the SOS button and the group announcement button is the headphone jack. Now let's move on to connecting the RSM. Let's start by pairing your RSM with your phone. First, power on the RSM. Then, open the picoTera companion app on your Android device. In the app, tap the Pair RSM button in the menu bar. This will open your phone's Bluetooth settings page. From the list of available Bluetooth devices, select your RSM to complete the pairing. Once the pairing is done, return to the picoTera companion app and go to the Devices tab. Your RSM should appear in the list. If it doesn't, tap the Scan button in the top right corner. When your RSM appears, tap its name to connect. After the connection is established, you'll see the settings page for your device. Here, you'll find 3 options. The bell icon triggers a Find Me alert, causing the RSM to beep rapidly. Change Name lets you update how the device appears in the app. Finally, Disconnect will end the connection. Now let's take a look at using TeraNet with the RSM. Go to the Dashboard tab. This is your main interface. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see 2 cards, Map View and Internet Status. If you're using a supervisor device, you'll have access to Map View. Here you can see your own location, the location of missing lone workers, and any active emergencies. Tap an emergency to resolve it. Tap a missing lone worker to connect and speak with them directly. Tap again to disconnect. If the worker checks in, the system will disconnect automatically. The Internet Status card allows you to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular connections. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see your groups. This is where you can view all the groups you are connected to. To change groups, scroll to the desired group and tap Select. The selected group will be highlighted in green. Each group also has 2 additional options, Always Listen and Always Talk. Check the Always Listen box to hear communications on that channel even if it's not selected. Check Always Talk if you want to broadcast your voice without listening to that channel. This is especially useful for announcement groups, where a supervisor can always talk while users set their devices to always listen. When both Always Talk and Always Listen are selected, you can send and receive on that group even if another group is selected. Audio will be prioritized in this order. First, your selected group. Second, Always Listen groups on a first-come, first-served basis. And that's it. You are now ready to use your picoTera RSM with TeraNet. We've covered how to connect the device and how to navigate the dashboard and groups. Thank you for choosing picoTera. We hope this tutorial helps you get started quickly and easily.